This is the math lesson 2-3. It is page 103 and it is the solve and share activities. Now for this you will need your math pages plus you will need some crayons. So go ahead and make sure you have that stuff and then come back and join me. Let's listen to the problem we are going to try to solve.
There are 5 stuffed animals on one shelf and 3 teddy bears on a different shelf. Which group has fewer stuffed toys? How do you know? Show your work.
So how do you think you would go about solving this problem and figuring out the answer? A lot of times it's easier for us to draw a picture. Now here we already have the shelf drawn for us. So we need to find out how many stuffed animals to draw on the top shelf. So we're going to reread the problem.
There are 5 stuffed animals on one shelf.
And that's as far as we need to go right now, because we were looking for that number 5 stuffed animals. So I'm going to draw 5 little X's on my shelf. Now if you want to do dots with your crayon, you can do that. If you want to do circles, you can do that. You just need to have 5 shapes of whatever type on your top shelf. This represents our 5 stuffed animals. Go ahead and pause the video if you need to, because I'm going to go on. You can come back and join me and listen to the rest when you get this finished.
And 3 teddy bears on a different shelf.
So now there are 3 teddy bears on a different shelf. So I'm going to change my color and I'm going to draw 3 X's down here to represent my teddy bears. So we have 5 stuffed animals on one shelf. We have 3 teddy bears on a different shelf. Now let's listen and see what question they are asking us.
Which group has fewer stuffed toys?
Which group has fewer stuffed toys?
How do you know?
And how do we know? So we need to match these up like we did yesterday. I'm going to match this stuffed animal's X to that teddy bear. I'm going to match this stuffed animal to this teddy bear. And I'm going to match this stuffed animal to this teddy bear. Now look, all of the teddy bears are matched up, but we still have stuffed animals left over, don't we? You don't need to circle these, but look at this. We still have stuffed animals left over. It wants to know which group has fewer. Fewer means the bottom number, the small number. Since we still have stuffed animals left over, the teddy bears have fewer. That shelf has fewer than these, the tiniest, smallest number. So the teddy bears would be the answer. Okay, go ahead and go on to the next video. Thank you for listening.